I wanted to make a quick video about washing machines, old Whirlpool washing machines, Maytag washing machines. And, um, when you're washing your clothes and you're constantly pulling your clothes out and they're soaking wet and you throw them in the dryer for 90 minutes and you dry them for 90 minutes and go back and they're still soaking wet, so you throw it on another 90 minutes and then they're barely dry or not dry still, so you're going on for another 40 minutes to get them dry. You start thinking that your dryer is the problem, but really the problem is when you wash your clothes, it didn't spin and it didn't get all the water out of the clothes, and so you're throwing too wet clothes inside your dryer. So this is the problem with your washing machine. This is what they call a clutch. And I'm not going to go into how to tear your washing machine apart. I am just going to go into how it works. So this clutch fits on your transmission like that. I've got the new one on already. And basically when that's on and you shove the agitator back in there, this spring is going to turn and it's going to hit this lever right here. The spring hits the lever. And what this is the bottom of my washing machine. And that's my drum. And when it hits that, it releases this brake and allows the drum to turn. The drum is already heavy, so this spring has to be pretty strong to be able to hit that lever and turn that drum. If I want to go the other way, I can't turn it because now the spring is pushing open and clamping on there and not allowing it to turn. But this spring needs to be pretty tight. So imagine that hitting and turning. And what's happening is the motor's turning, but this clutch on the inside is slipping and just spinning, which is not allowing the tub to turn. So this little cheap thing right here is about 10 bucks. And this is my old one. So all it is a spring pushing these pads on the outer ring right there. And you can see on mine that the rivets are all the way down, like if they were your brake pads on your car, you'd be scoring up your disc. And then they have different colored springs too, black ones and blue ones. According to sources, the black ones are the stronger ones. So I ordered a new one. Came in this little box for less than 10 bucks. Gave me a new handle. It gave me the new clips and a couple of different springs. They said the blue one's a weaker spring, the black one is a stronger spring. And put those on, and that's it. Less than 10 bucks. I don't know if they deliberately do that to make a $10 part fail, so you think you need to go out and buy a new $750 washer. But for 10 bucks, if you've got an old Whirlpool, you can fix it yourself. Now there's a lot of great videos on how to take this apart. It wasn't that hard. 3 bolts on the bottom, 1 bolt on the top, snap off the pump. Is pretty easy. You just change that thing for less than 10 bucks. I'll put it back together and we'll see if it works.